So today I'm going to unbox the blood pressure monitor. All the contents are inside the box. You've got the monitor, the sleeve, user guide, as well as a USB cord, and it comes in this cute little bag. The blood pressure monitor supports two different power modes. You can either insert your battery for AA batteries, or you can choose to use your USB cable. Next, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use this machine. First, we want to insert our cable into the monitor. Next, make sure your arms are free of any sleeves, and we're going to insert our arm into the sleeve and adjust it tightly. Next, we switch on.
Attention please. Please keep silent and relax. Keep the cuff at heart level. Start measurement now. Your systolic blood pressure is 98 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your diastolic blood pressure is 54 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your heart rate is 67 beats per minute. Measurement over. According to the World Health Organization standards, the measurement result is normal. Thanks for using. Wishing you good health.
When you switch on this monitor, there is a large screen that will display all your information, as well as soothing music playing throughout your measurement. At the end, it will give you an update on your blood pressure, and that's it. This device can store two people's information at the same time, 120 times 2, that gives you 240 sets of reading. After the measurement is finished, the accurate reading is displayed and stored on your blood pressure monitor.